Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start Aston Martin DB11 step by step. Park both cars safely with ignitions off and handbrakes engaged, keeping batteries accessible. Turn off all electronics in both vehicles to prevent surges. Identify the positive and negative battery terminals on the donor and DB11 carefully. Use heavy-gauge jumper cables and keep clamps from touching each other. Stay calm and follow each step deliberately for a smooth start. Begin by placing jumper cables where both drivers can reach without stretching. Attach the red clamp to the donor battery positive terminal, then to the DB11 positive terminal, ensuring firm contact. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal, followed by the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal ground on the DB11 away from the battery. Keep clamps clear of moving parts and ensure cable routing avoids heat and fan blades before attempting to start. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Life's too short for a stinky car, and it pairs nicely after a hands-on session under the hood. Peek in the description to find the link and other deals we mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With cables connected, start the donor car and let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes to transfer charge. Try starting the DB11 gently. If it doesn't start, wait a minute and try again, avoiding continuous cranking longer than 15 seconds. After the DB11 starts, keep both engines running for several minutes to stabilize voltage and recharge the battery. Remove cables in reverse order, beginning with the grounded clamp, and stow cables safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.